Hopefully this video inspires you to volunteer in your local area. Hello, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic and Physical Therapy. You probably don't recognize this character. He's face down, but he's come in with his bagpipes and played the Happy Birthday song on his bagpipes. But I wanted to do a video because this man, really this is the only reason I want to do this video, is because this man has been volunteering for 30 years.
Yep.
Volunteering his time for 30 years, a couple times a week, to help a soup kitchen here in New York. And that's pretty awesome. And I think he should be commemorated for that alone. It's awesome. He takes the time out to do that a couple times a week, right?
Yep. And
you guys feed, what's the name of the soup kitchen?
Catholic Worker.
The Catholic Worker in New York City. And where is it located?
36 East 1st Street.
36 East 1st Street. They help feed the homeless.
Couple hundred people a day.
Couple hundred people a day, every day. So if you feel like volunteering, they could use volunteers, yeah? John?
Yep.
Okay. And not just for the holidays. A lot of people like to volunteer for the holidays. Those are the days they probably don't need the volunteers.
Yep. Yep.
So they have too many volunteers on the holidays, usually?
Sometimes.
Okay. We'll leave the organization's name and maybe a contact phone number or something if you want to volunteer, if you live here in New York City and you want to volunteer and help them out. But there are also a lot of soup kitchens all around New York City.
Yep.
That need help.
Yep.
Not just this one.
Yep.
So John here has a little neuropathy, a little paresthesia, which is a numbness in the toes. And we're going to do a cox flexion distraction technique on him. And he was just all morning working at the soup kitchen on his feet. And you know, he's not getting any younger. Sorry, John. But you're not.
Oh my God.
Sorry to break it to you, buddy, but you're not.
Oh,
and after working at the soup kitchen, cleaning pots and pans all morning, he's got a little bit of a tight back. So we're going to help him out here.
I thought I was getting younger. What is this?
Oh, that's just Benjamin Buttons. Sorry. Okay.
The squeaking is my back, not the machine.
It's a good thing it's the table that's squeaking and not you. I need a little WD-40 in this table. So John, you've also been under chiropractic care, done maintenance care, wellness care for
20 years.
20 years. Yeah, so not only has he volunteered for 30 years and helped the soup kitchen out, volunteered his time, but he's taken really good care of himself. Over the past 20 years since I've been here in this office, he had an injury a long time ago, and you know, some typical degenerative processes that happen as we age, but he's aging a lot slower than most people. How old are you, John?
93.
You're not 93, come on.
Well, I'm 94.
No, really, how old are you now?
76.
76. And you could not tell. Don't go by the bald spot here on the back of his head, okay? Okay.
That's because I used to put a yarmulke there.
Yeah. You used to wear a yarmulke there? That's why you got the bald spot now?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you've been seeing me pretty much once a month, 12 visits a year for about 20 years. He's got a little bit of degenerative disc disease, a little bit of arthritis in his spine. Nothing to worry about, as long as you take care of it. Kind of like brushing your teeth, right? You brush your teeth every day, floss every day, twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. Your teeth just chew food, that's it. Your spine controls everything in your body. And most of us don't do anything for our spines on a daily basis, let alone chiropractic once a month. So,
Right.
Stretching, exercising, those are the things that you can do for your spine. Moving.
Sometimes I tap my spine.
You what? Tap it?
Yeah.
Okay. I wouldn't try that at home. John's got a sense of humor, so take everything he says with a grain of salt, okay, folks?
Oh my gosh. You see, this is what I do. I tap it.
Oh, that kind of tapping, like that? Okay, as long as it's not a spinal tap.
That was a rock group.
Yes, it was. Maybe you could play the bagpipes for the band, you know?
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
This is the best bagpipe player in all of New York City. John, I don't know what you sat in, but you might have sat in something here with your jeans.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Poop?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Poop.
Oh dear.
I know it's not. And that's why I'm not afraid to, to touch it. But, just thought I'd let you know. All right. Tender right there?
Not really.
Good. Tender there?
No.
There?
A little bit.
Okay. Are you still painting, John?
Once in a while, painted a couple of signs recently. Painted a lovely witch for Halloween.
Okay. Normally today I would say get out the vote, because we are filming this on Election Day. This could be a historic day. And but this video is not going to air until after that. So hopefully you already voted. And hopefully everybody's happy with the results.
Yep.
Okay, keep your legs straight. Raise one leg as high as you can. And down. The other one. Okay. Is one leg harder to raise than the other?
No, but on the way down, let me see, this one, no, it doesn't do it now. There was a little something in here, but it's
Okay.
gone. Come on.
Take a deep breath in and blow out. And again. And blow out. Okay, let's have you turn over on your back. So he's very easy to adjust because I've been adjusting him for 20 years. Okay, for maintenance care, for wellness care. and that tends to loosen the joints up a little bit and make the spine more flexible.
Yeah, we
Easier
said I
to
had
work
loose
with.
joints, yeah.
Cross your arms, give yourself a big hug, John, because you deserve it for all that volunteer work. Give yourself a big hug. I'm going to give you a hug now too, okay? Take a deep breath in, tuck your chin, half a sit up for me. And blow out. Good.
I heard that one. I don't know if it was me or your fist.
No, that was you. My fists will pay the price in 20 years from now. All right. Now this is a little thing called stair stepping. So we just do figure eights. And then we go to each spinal level and do more figure eights. John loves this. This helps to get the facet joints gliding better. And the facet joints have are basically the joints in the neck, okay? And they're at an angle. And this just helps get them lubed up and gliding better, gets the neck moving better, increases the range of motion and fluidity in the neck. And then we just take it through each level here. Again, this is called stair stepping. Relax here. Lift your head up, John. And drop it back. You take a deep breath in and blow out. Okay, gently lift your head, drop it back. Okay, sit up and face to the left.
Left.
Okay, how you doing, all right? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping serve those that are in more need. Seriously. Thank you. You know what? And thank all of our volunteers around the world, around the United States. Seriously. Without volunteers, a lot of things wouldn't get done. We need more people to volunteer. I need to start volunteering more. So, I don't know. Hopefully this video inspires you to volunteer in your local area. Thank you.
Thank you.